The 2009 Chevrolet Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, climate control, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, premium sound system, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, auto off headlights. Come see the car for yourself.